Hey everyone, it's Mike here at Steel Green Manufacturing, and today we're going to talk about how to adjust your spread pattern. All right, so real quick, we're going to talk about adjusting your spread pattern on the machine. So you're going to have your rate gate, your hopper open and close cable for the door for your granular material. And then over here, we're going to have the cable that operates that pattern adjustment piece. So on the machine, as you're spreading product, you may notice that you're heavy to the left or heavy to the right or something to that effect. What you're going to do is you're going to use this cable and it'll twist and lock in either direction, and we could pull this out and it's going to move a piece down there in the hopper opening, and that's what's going to change our spread pattern. So now we're just going to walk down in front of the machine. I'll show you through the opening what this part looks like and where we're going to be putting that to make those changes in your pattern if you're heavy to the left or heavy to the right.
Okay, so how this diffuser is going to work through our hopper opening here. I got the door open just a little bit, and I'm going to grab the cable and I'm going to pull the diffuser teeth to where you can start to see them. So right about there is where you would want to move these teeth so that as the product falls through the hopper, it's going to hit those and fall further towards the edge of the impeller, because here's the center of our impeller. And as you push that product out to the edge, it's going to fly off sooner, and it's spinning clockwise. So that means if I was heavy to the right and I pulled this to this position, stuff's going to slide out further to the edge and then fly off to the left sooner rather than ride all the way around clockwise and go to the right. So if you're heavy to the right, you would want to put these teeth to where they're a little bit out or at most halfway out on the front side of the opening towards the hopper shaft. As it goes back, you would never want it in this position where it's in the middle, because then you're going to have product fall through, hit it, fall on the front side and the back side, and then there'll be a gap in the material on the impeller, which will leave a gap in striping issues in the lawn. So if you keep going to the rear position, this is the most that you would want to have it showing from the rear position. So if I was heavy to the left, then I would want the product to fall out, hit these teeth, and make sure it goes to the center of the impeller instead of towards the edge. And if it's on the center, it's going to ride longer and go all the way around and fly off to the right. So if it's heavy to the left and I need to push it to the right, it needs to be towards the rear, halfway out at most. Or if we're heavy to the right, you want it to be like this, at most halfway out on the front side of the opening. So as you can see, it's not a lot of cable travel, so you'll have real fine adjustments, but that's all there is to it.
Well, thank you guys for watching today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out on social media or check out our website at steelgreenmfg.com.